So here we're going to use the diamond template, and I'm using the 4.5 size. And you want to make sure that you use the corresponding pin. So where these lines come down, that's the pinhole that we want to use. I've put some glow line tape on the bottom of my template so you can see the reference lines a little better because I'm using a lighter fabric. Let's get started. I've already started pulling my threads. For this part of the design, we're going to have the circle part that goes around be closer to center. So I want to pull my threads on this side of the template here and not on that side. So line up my reference line. I have 32 crosshairs marked. I like to put my threads underneath the template so that they don't get in the way. So you stitch the first half. So I'm going to stitch on this side of the template. And I'm going to stop when I get up to the top. Now my diamond is complete. I want to stitch over to this line because I'm going to do one every other crosshair. And then I just stitch this way. So this part of the template back here is what's making that ring that goes around. And now I can pull my threads, and we are done with this part. For this round, I'm using the 5.5 diamond, and I'm doing the opposite crosshairs from the first round. And I'm also starting on the side of the template that's closest to me, farthest away from center, to get the ring on the outside. It is the exact same process we did before.